Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to go through question 27 from the 2023 HSC Mathematics Standard 2 examination. What I suggest you do to begin with is pause the video and attempt the problem yourself before watching through. So the question is stating that the diagram shows the location of three places, X, Y, and C. Y is on a bearing of 120 degrees and 15 kilometers from X. C is 40 kilometers from X and lies due west of Y. P lies on the line joining C and Y and is due south of X. So part A is worth 2 marks and it's asking us to find the distance from X to P. So we need to find this distance here, X to P. We know that this is 120 degrees all the way down to from X to Y. So I can work out what this is here because P is due south. So that means it would add to 180 to go to P. So 180 minus 120, it's going to be 60 degrees in here. I'm going to label that XP and that's what we're trying to find. So let me redraw the triangle that we've got. There's my P, Y, and X. This is what we're trying to find, XP. This is 60 degrees, 15 kilometers. So what I'm going to do is label the different sides. There's my opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. So using SOHCAHTOA, I need to now identify which trigonometric ratio I'm going to use. I can see I've got the adjacent and hypotenuse, so it's going to be cos. So cos 60 degrees equals XP over 15. I want to isolate XP on the right hand side, so I'm going to move the 15 to the other side of the equation, and to do that I need to do the inverse operation, which is, or the opposite, which is to multiply by 15. So now I can state that XP is going to equal 15 multiplied by cos 60, which will equal 7.5 kilometers. Now I'll move on to part B of this question. So part B, again, is worth 2 marks, and it's asking what is the bearing of C from X. So we're after the bearing from X all the way around to C. I know that this distance here of XP is 7.5. So I'm going to label that. What I'm going to do is try and work out, well, what's this angle here? So I'll redraw my triangle. That's the angle I'm trying to find. I know that that's 7.5 kilometers. That's 40 kilometers. And I'll just label the side C, P, and X. So again, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Using SOHCAHTOA, I can see, again, I've got the adjacent and hypotenuse, so it's going to be cosine, or cos. So, cos theta equals 7.5 over 40. I want to find theta, so it's shift cos, 7.5 over 40, and that's going to work out to be 79 degrees and 12 minutes. Which is approximately equal to, rounded to the nearest degree, 79 degrees. I haven't fully answered the question yet. I need to actually identify what the bearing is of C from X. So I know that P is due south of X. So there we've got 180. And I need to add the angle we just found. So to work out the bearing, I'm going to go 180 degrees plus the 79, which is going to equal 259 degrees. So therefore, the bearing of C from X is 259 degrees.